Mastering needs assessment. This organization must confront its blind spots to truly succeed. Why is it necessary for this organization to conduct a needs assessment, and what specific goals or outcomes do they hope to achieve by doing so? A needs assessment is a crucial step for the organization to identify the gap between its current performance and desired outcomes. It serves as a foundation for informed decision-making, enabling the organization to prioritize its resources and allocate them efficiently. Conducting a comprehensive needs assessment will help the organization to 1. Define the problem or opportunity. Identify the specific issue or area of improvement that necessitates the needs assessment. This could be a performance gap, a new market opportunity, or a changing regulatory environment. Clarifying the problem or opportunity will guide the entire needs assessment process. 2. Establish a common understanding. Ensure that all stakeholders share a common understanding of the problem or opportunity. This might involve reviewing existing data, conducting stakeholder interviews, or gathering feedback to create a collective understanding of the situation. 3. Determine the assessment scope. Clearly define the scope of the needs assessment, including the specific areas or departments to be evaluated, the geographic regions involved, and the relevant time frame. Establishing a clear scope will help to focus the assessment and allocate resources efficiently. 4. Identify the target audience. Determine the specific groups or individuals affected by the problem or opportunity. This could include employees, customers, suppliers, or other stakeholders. Understanding the target audience's needs, preferences, and expectations will inform the assessment and subsequent interventions. 5. Gather and analyze data. Collect both quantitative and qualitative data from various sources, including existing records, surveys, focus groups, and interviews. Analyze the data to identify trends, patterns, and relationships that will inform the assessment's findings and recommendations. 6. Analyze the internal and external environment. Assess the organization's internal capabilities, resources, and strengths, as well as the external environment, including market trends, customer needs, and competitors. This analysis will help identify opportunities for growth, improvement, or innovation. 7. Determine the performance gap. Calculate the difference between the organization's current performance and the desired outcomes. This gap will serve as a benchmark to measure the effectiveness of subsequent interventions. 8. Develop a set of recommendations. Based on the findings and analysis, create a set of prioritized recommendations that address the identified needs and performance gaps. These recommendations should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. 9. Establish an implementation plan. Develop a detailed plan for implementing the recommended solutions, including timelines, resource allocation, and assigned responsibilities. This plan will guide the organization's efforts to close the performance gap and achieve the desired outcomes. 10. Evaluate and refine the assessment process. Establish a mechanism to monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of the needs assessment process, identifying areas for improvement and refining the process for future assessments. By conducting a comprehensive needs assessment, the organization can achieve the following goals and outcomes. Identify opportunities for improvement and innovation. Inform strategic planning and decision-making. Prioritize resource allocation and budgeting. Enhance employee performance and engagement. Improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Increase operational efficiency and effectiveness. Stay competitive in the market and adapt to changing environments. Develop targeted solutions that address specific needs and gaps. Ultimately, the needs assessment will provide the organization with a thorough understanding of its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, enabling it to make data-driven decisions that drive progress and success.